Pollution is nothing but the unwanted material which causes damage to the environment is known as pollution. And there are mainly three types of pollution: air, water, and soil. And now we have to know about how air pollution is caused, how water pollution is caused, and how soil pollution is caused. And their remedies and what are the advantages, what are the things which we can implement to reduce air pollution or water pollution or soil pollution. Because nowadays it is very clear, everybody knows that pollution is increasing day by day. Due to pollution, many ill effects are being caused. Like global warming is one of the main cause of pollution. Now we come to know about everything, how pollution is created and how global warming is being done and what are the defects which causes global warming in our world. Global warming is nothing but the main thing due to which many types of infection or many types of illness one can cause. Like skin cancer is one of the main things which can be caused by global warming. Now first of all we'll talk about air pollution. How air pollution is being caused. Now day by day the population is increasing in our world. Not only in the world, in India also it is increasing. First of all, China was the largest populated country in this world. Nowadays India is supposed to come with this. It is comparing with China also. So air pollution, how it is increased. Now number of pollution is increased by number of vehicles is also coming, and industrialization, globalization, these all are the main causes of pollution. Many industries are being set in our country which causes air pollution due to formation of coke and other harmful gases like nitrogen, this carbon dioxide, this all are increasing. Not only this, but deforestation is also one of the cause of it. Deforestation means cutting of trees. As we know that trees, most of them is very important thing which provide us oxygen, and it takes carbon dioxide. What we exhale, that the tree takes and it gives oxygen to us. So oxygen is very important for us, and we get this oxygen from air. In air it is present. How does this oxygen come? There are many different cycles, like nitrogen cycle, carbon dioxide cycle. You have studied all that, I know. And this oxygen mainly comes with tree. But nowadays, due to urbanization and this industrialization, the trees are being cut. And the trees are being cut due to which the carbon dioxide content is being reduced. And carbon dioxide content is increased and oxygen content is reduced. So that we cannot inhale proper air. Because we need oxygen as a proper air for us. Because as we know that in our body this RBC and WBC are present, and along with that cellulose and other things are present, which helps in the running of our blood, and oxygen plays a vital role in running of our blood, circulating blood in our body. So main types of diseases which we get due to some type of infection, and not only infection but some type of ill effect of that types of diseases, means increasing the number of diseases in that. So oxygen, if we take more proper oxygen, then the flow of blood in our body will be increased, and this normal it will be. So it cannot cause any problem to our body. And global warming mainly this air pollution is caused, and how we can reduce the cause of air pollution. We can use solar lights, along with that solar cookers are there, solar vehicles are there, and many other things we can use so that the polluted air which comes out from the bike or vehicle, it may be reduced and smoke coming should be less. And along with that, when air is get polluted, due to which global warming is the cause. Global warming is mainly caused with increasing of CFCC and increasing of CO2 gas. And in that one layer is there because our whole earth is surrounded with several types of layers, like stratosphere is there, atmosphere is there, and ionosphere, and everything is there. Among that, ionosphere is one of the layers which is made up of ozone. In this ozone, when the amount of carbon dioxide or methane or CFC is increased, then it causes some damage to the ozone layer. Ozone layer protects us as like an umbrella for us. As umbrella protects us from water, it also protects us from the direct coming of sunlight to the earth. Because we know that the temperature of sunlight is very high, and if we receive direct sunlight to our body, then it can cause damage to our body, like skin cancer and other things it can cause. So ozone layer present here. When sunlight comes from the sun, then ozone layer acts as a reflector, as it traps the sunlight and it reflects back to another places. And usually we get the least amount of heat and our skin is protected. So this ozone layer now gets deflected. Why? Because of the increasement of CO2. Because for us, all living beings are needed. All living beings need to survive in this world. So we should protect our earth because our earth is the home of ourselves. So hence we should reduce the rate of pollution. We should implement some new techniques which we can include some new techniques which can increase the productivity of soil. Rather, we can use their simple types of chemicals or like that. Not only this, but in water also, we can separate all that waste material and we should we should use that type of material which can be recycled. If we recycle something, then that will be fruitful to us. Not only this, but air.